What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading up to Gouyave. It's like about an hour thereabouts drive from the town of St. George's. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to come over to Antho's vlogs. Welcome to Street Food Fridays, aka Fish Fry. This is something that used to happen every Friday before the pandemic. And even though it's not the same as before, it was still nice to come up here and just enjoy the music, enjoy the food. We got to sample some of the liquors that were here, and we just had a great time. I thought I was gonna try all and I tried all. This is my three favorites is the coconut, the coffee, and the cereal. For those of you who might be interested in going to Gouyave one of these Friday nights, I would advise you guys to just find out from someone else just to make sure. I know they have it every other Friday now, but just make sure you confirm the dates and stuff like that. On this particular day, they had like the parang bands and different bands and artists coming and sing and stuff for the Christmas. They have different vendors selling food. Usually we would have like more food vendors, however this year was a little bit, but yet still it was really nice. It was fun. People enjoyed themselves. I enjoyed the music, and even though it was a shy time, I really had fun.
Live, right?
So enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you guys so much, and remember to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel, guys. See you guys in my next video. Peace.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, good night. And if you're not from Gouyave, welcome to the best place in the world. There's something about Gouyave people, and I can say that we,
for being born in a stable, being born so that we can be saved. And we pray, God, that you bless this evening, and that we will be saved. Clocks go tonight. So it's all about. I'll never let you go. You romancing in another.